Making a quick video. This fridge, this the 45 liter mini fridge. Is a good fridge, good brand. It's over 2 years, which means the warranty is over. And I'm making a part video because if you ever need parts, if you ever need parts, I'm gonna guide you about everything that it has. But it tells you to reach where it says right there, the email. Wow, dude. The email, you see it? Well, if you contact him, this guy is garbage. He won't help you. He doesn't have no parts diagram. He's gonna make you wait weeks after weeks. This guy is totally garbage because I wanted to take it apart before the diagram for taking apart and get parts diagram so I know what I need to order. So I'm gonna guide you with parts. This you can get it off eBay. The fan, I saw it, it's 20 bucks. Oh, and let me give you another comment. This guy wanna overcharge everything, more money than what the part costs. So that's the fan. I found it in eBay. Because the problem with this one is the thermostat. You can get that off eBay, which is 0.3 amps. It's quiet. Here's the compressor part. Wow, dude, this. Okay. Here's the module part. I found it, but the last, you see model LC25B, the back part, H0285. It's hard to find. I bought one that is exact same model, but it was giving me codes of the compressor, and that's how it looks. That's that diagram from here. So nobody has video taking this apart. I'm gonna start taking it apart. Here's you got your little module here that connects to the wireless, the fan. But I'm looking for the thermostat and the evaporator. Really wish somebody had it before I take it apart, but here's a video to let you know up front if it's over 2 years. These people are garbage. They suck. You're gonna be stranded, so you better buy a new one and then fix the old one.